Have you ever given a thought to the fact that the notebook you use for writing has come to you after a long process of manufacturing? Full stop. It started its life as part of a tree. Full stop. It was cut down and transported to the pulp mill. Full stop. There, the wood of the tree was processed and converted into wood pulp. Full stop. The wood pulp was mixed with chemicals and finally changed into paper by machines. Full stop. This paper found its way to the press where ink made from chemicals was used to print the lines on the pages. Full stop. The pages were then bound in the form of a notebook, packed and sent to the market for sale. Full stop. Finally, it reached your hands. Full stop. Para change. Secondary activities or manufacturing change raw materials into products of more value to people. Full stop. As you have seen, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. Full stop. These represent the two stages of the manufacturing process. Full stop. Para change. The paper made from pulp and cloth made from cotton have had value added to them at each stage of the manufacturing process. Full stop. In this way, the finished product has more value and utility than the raw material that it is made from. Full stop. Para change. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals or the provision of services. Full stop. Thus, we have iron and steel industry, production of goods, coal mining industry, extraction of coal, and tourism industry, service product provider. Full stop. Para change. Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. Para change. Raw materials. Industries may be agro-based, mineral-based, marine-based, and forest-based depending on the type of raw materials they use. Full stop. Agro-based industries used plant and animal based products on their raw materials. Full stop. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries are examples of agro based industries. Full stop. Mineral based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. Full stop. The products of these industries feed other industries. Full stop. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. Full stop. This is used as raw material for the manufacture of a number of other products, such as heavy machinery, building materials and railway coaches. Full stop. Marine based industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Full stop. Industries processing seafood and manufacturing fish oil are some examples. Full stop. Forest based industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. Full stop. The industries associated with forests are pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furniture and buildings. Full stop. Para change. Size. It refers to the amount of capital invested, number of people employed and volume of production. Full stop. Based on size, industries can be classified into small scale and large scale industries. Full stop. Cottage or household industries are a type of small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand, by the artisans. Full stop. Basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts are examples of cottage industry. Full stop. Small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology as compared to large scale industries that produce large volume of products. Full stop. Investment of capital is higher and the technology used is superior in large scale industries, full stop. Silk weaving and food processing industries are small scale industries, full stop. Production of automobiles and heavy machinery are large scale industries, full stop. Parachange. Ownership. Industries can be classified into private sector, state owned or public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector, full stop. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals, full stop. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India. Full stop. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals or a group of individuals. Full stop. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industry. Full stop. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers or both. Full stop. Anand Milk Union Limited and Sudha Dairy are a success story of a cooperative venture. Full stop. Para change. Factors affecting location of industries. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport and market, full stop. Industries are situated where some or all of these factors are easily available, full stop. Sometimes, the government provides incentives like subsidized power, lower transport cost and other infrastructure so that industries may be located in backward areas, full stop. Industrialization often leads to development and growth of towns and cities, full stop. Para change. Industrial system. An industrial system consists of inputs, processes and outputs. Full stop. The inputs are the raw materials, labor and costs of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. Full stop. The processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished products, full stop. The outputs are the end product and the income earned from it, full stop. In case of the textile industry, and inputs may be cotton, human labor, factory and transport cost, full stop. The processes include ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing and printing, full stop. The output is the shirt you wear, full stop. Parachange. Industrial reason. Industrial reasons emerged when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness, full stop. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia, full stop. Major industrial regions tends to be located in the temperature areas, near seaports and especially near coal fields, full stop. India has several industrial regions like Mumbai, Pune cluster, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad, Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam, Guntur belt, Gurgaon, Delhi, Meerut region and the Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster, full stop. Para change. Distribution of major industries. The world's major industries are the iron and steel industry, textile industry and the information technology, full stop. The iron and steel and textile industry are the older industries while information technology is an emerging industry, full stop. Parachange. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia, full stop. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan, full stop. The major hubs of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. Full stop. Para change. Iron and steel industry. Like other industries, iron and steel industry too comprises various inputs, processes and outputs. Full stop. This is a feeder industry whose products are used as raw material for other industries. Full stop. Para change. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal and limestone, along with labor, capital, site and other infrastructure. Full stop. The process of converting iron ore into steel involves many stages. Full stop. The raw materials is put in the blast furnace where it undergoes smelting. Full stop. It is then refined. Full stop. The output obtained is steel, which may be used by other industries as raw material. Full stop.